Hare Hare Hare. Haribol. Sorry, late tayo ng 4 minutes. Hello, this is Kuya Chad and welcome sa Usaping Buhay. Real talk, real answers. Ngayong linggo ang ating good afternoon Ninya. Hello. Ang ating topic ngayong linggo ay tungkol sa the unhappiness epidemic. Yan. Okay. Good afternoon, Sheikh. Share lang natin sa mga friends natin yung live natin bago tayo mag-kirtan. Kumusta po kayo? Thank you somebody sa heart. Share ko lang po. How's my audio po? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Good afternoon, Raven.
Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Good day, Roderick.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you for attending.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol. Hare Bol.
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Haribol.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Haribol.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Haribol. Thank you very much. Haribol, Daf Lasaka Oben. Okay. Yung narinig nyo kanina na sumasagot sa kirtan ko ay yung aking anak si Madrik. Haribol. Ay, si Madrik. Si Murari pala. Murari, hello. Say hi.
Ay.
So, isa lang yung mic namin. So, hindi nyo siguro narinig masyado. Haribol, Ma'am Josel. Haribol. So, yung topic ngayon ay tungkol sa epidemic. May isang uri ng epidemic, yung unhappiness. The unhappiness epidemic. Basahin ko yung text or anong tawag ba dito? Yung description namin ng aming post. So sa muli, ito po si Kuya Chad and you're watching Usaping Buhay, hatid sa inyo ng Living with Meditation. So sabi dito, merong epidemic na hindi napapansin pero patuloy na dumarami ang nakakaranas nito. In fact, everyone goes through it at some point in life. What is this? Unhappiness. Yung sobrang lungkot na hindi mo maipaliwanag, masakit, mabigat, at parang wala ka nang nakikitang pag-asa. Dagdag pa yung mga tao sa paligid mo na parang wala ring maibibigay na solusyon o maibigay na solusyon at kahit konting ginhawa. So we're living in what many call the unhappiness epidemic, kung saan tumataas ang stress, loneliness at depression at minsan nauuwi pa sa pagkawala ng pag-asa. So in this world full of empty noise and temporary bliss, will we ever find true happiness and peace? So, unhappiness epidemic. Diba? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng epidemic? No? Search natin. Epidemic. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng epidemic? Sige, chat kayo. Ninya. Pag sinabing epidemic, ano ba ang ibig sabihin yan? Chat. Sabi dito sa Google AI overview. An epidemic is the rapid spread of disease to a large number of people in a specific community or region over a short period. Yan yung epidemic. Sabi ng yung word na epidemic, rapid spread of a disease to a large number of people in a specific community or region over a short period. Okay? So pag nilagyan natin ng sabi ni Ninya, parang similar po sa pandemic. Pag sinabing pandemic, chat natin yung pandemic. Ang pandemic is sabi sa Wikipedia, a pandemic is an epidemic of an infectious disease that has a sudden increase in cases and spreads across a large region. Okay. So it's kind of pandemic, ang pandemic, pero large region. So yung unhappiness epidemic, it's actually at the same time a pandemic because it spreads all over the world. Nakakalungkot. It spreads all over the world, hindi lang across a large region. Okay? Hindi lang siya in a specific community or region. Hindi lang siya over a short period, yung unhappiness, yung kalungkutan. All over the world, there is unhappiness, and it's spreading it's not just like a disease, it's already a disease, a disease, a discomfort, and it is spreading. Meron ba kayong mga kilala o nabalitaan na because of their unhappiness, because of overstress, because of ano pa ba yung nandito, loneliness, because of depression, meron ba kayong kakilala na because of that they gone crazy, or because of that they become very, very sick, very, very ill, or because of that they suicide? Meron ba kayong nabalitaan na ganon all over the world? Chat. Last year, meron ba? 2 years ago? Last month? Meron kayong na-observe that because of the unhappiness, because of the stress, because of loneliness, because of depression, because of hopelessnesses, these individual became crazy, became very, very ill, nagkasakit, and or committed suicide. Sabi niya, wala po, sir. Kung kilala nyo merong isang grandmaster sa chess. So, yung grandmaster, pag sinabing grandmaster sa chess, i-chat natin. Tanungin natin. Grandmaster, what does it mean in chess? There was this grandmaster. Ang grandmaster daw, or GM, a chess grandmaster, is a highly distinguished title awarded by the International Chess Federation, signifying a player's exceptional skill and is second only to the world champion title. So it's a title. Pag ikaw ay grandmaster, chess grandmaster, highly distinguished title. Meron kang exceptional skill pagdating sa chess. Okay? Second only to the world champion title. So, merong isang grandmaster sa chess. I think, as far as I can remember, 3 days ago, nagluksa yung chess community worldwide because of the death of this grandmaster. Only 29 years old. Only 29 years old. 2 days ago or 3 days ago, nung sinearch ko yung sa YouTube yung mga live stream niya, because active siyang nagla-live stream, yung sabi doon na last stream niya is pinapakita doon yung frustration niya, yung depression niya kasi talo siya doon sa match, doon sa online chess game. So, kitang-kita mo doon yung, this is the last stream nung the one who just passed away, the grandmaster who just chess grandmaster who just passed away. Kitang-kita doon yung frustration niya, yung depression niya na talo siya doon sa isang online chess game. Parang sounds like or looks like iiyak siya because yun nga, natalo siya, parang na-frustrate siya dahil natalo siya doon sa online chess game. Yung sinasabi niya nga, next time sa stream niya, babawi siya para tumaas yung rating niya, kasi kapag natalo ka, bababa yung rating mo sa online chess game. And then search ko pa, nakita ko pa sa ibang mga YouTube videos, ang isa daw sa reason kung bakit na yung depression, nagkaroon siya ng depression yung chess grandmaster is merong isa rin na chess player or grandmaster din siguro na kinakalat niya sa online world that itong pumanaw na chess master is cheating sa mga games, kaya siya naging grandmaster, kaya nananalo siya especially siguro sa online games, because nag-cheat siya. So yun ang sinasabi nung kapwa niya chess player. So kinakalat nung kapwa niya chess player na nag-cheat ito na grandmaster na naging grandmaster ito. Naglalaro ka po, sir, ng chess. I know how to play. But to win, sa anak ko lang siguro ako na nanalo. Diba? So, yun, kinakalat nung kapwa niya chess player na ito ay naging GM o nanalo because nag-cheat sila sa online game. And yun yung sabi ng mga sabi sa mga YouTube video is yun yung isa o baka yun na nga yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng matinding unhappiness, matinding frustration, depression itong chess grandmaster, na kung saan although hindi naman sinabi sa news yung dahilan ng pagpanaw ng chess grandmaster, but the chess community, especially yung mga close friends nung pumanaw na chess grandmaster, ang sinasabi nila is that yung pag-spread ng news o pag-spread sa online platforms ng balita na siya ay nandadaya, yun ang nagbigay ng matinding depression doon sa chess grandmaster. And for them, that might be the reason kung bakit nag-suicide or pwedeng nagkasakit ng matindi, and because of that he died, diba? So nakakalungkot yun. That's in he's a US chess grand master, okay, American citizen, and sumasabay sa atin si Swallow ba ang tawag dito, Kimiming, yan si Miming. Sumasabay siya, gusto niyang sumabay sa live si Swallow. Gusto niya sigurong lumabas, hindi siya makalabas. And dito sa Pilipinas, okay, from US to the Philippines, I think 2 days or 3 days ago din. Tama ba yun? 2 days or 3 days ago yun? Ma? Yung isang 19 years old. A 19-year-old lady. Di ba? Nalaman nyo ba yun? Yung balita na yun. A TikTok sensation. Ang tawag, TikTok sensation ba ang tawag siya? Marami siyang followers sa TikTok. And Instagram, I guess. Nepo baby ang tawag din sa kanya dahil anak ng mga mayayaman sa Pilipinas. Hindi sinabi yung cause ng death, kung bakit pumanaw. 19 years old. Hindi sinabi yung cause ng death. Hindi pa nag-1 week ito, di ba? Tama ba? Ma? Hindi pa nag-1 week yung Nepo baby? Ha? Anong day? Last 2 days ago? So hindi pa nag-1 week yung pagpanaw nitong Nepo baby, itong pagpanaw ng isang 19 years old. 23 daw, October 23. 3 days ago. Not sure. So nakakalungkot. It's not clear hindi sinabi yung cause ng pagpanaw, yung cause ng death ng 19-year-old lady. Pero after nangyari yon, the time na pumanaw siya, next day ay may mga nilabas or may mga videos na nag-spread of an interview dito sa 19-year-old na pumanaw. Actually, yung interview na yun 10 months ago. Pero nag-resurface siya. Nag-trending siya after pumanaw yung lady. Kilala niyo po, sir, si Bobby Fischer. Si Bobby Fischer, isa rin siya. Kung susundan niyo yung buhay ni Bobby Fischer, talagang sabi niya talagang very yung chest is frustrating, depressing. Hanggang dumating siya sa point ng buhay niya na he hates chess already. Yes, Joanna, yeah. Thank you for the name. So, nag-resurface, di ba? Nag-resurface yung interview sa kanya, and then and we kahapon lang ata, kagabi or 2 nights ago, pinapanood ng wife ko yung interview na yon, and nalaman natin doon na meron siyang past trauma, 'di ba? Past trauma. When she was 3 years old, past trauma. Okay, and then sa yaya niya, 'di ba? And then nung nabubuli siya ng mga kaklase niya nung elementary. Yun. Tapos nabully siya sa social media. Yan. Yes. So okay na ata siya dati, sabi niya doon sa interview sa kanya of the so-called traumatic experience, sabi niya okay. And then nagkaroon ng issue tungkol sa flood control. And gumawa ata siya ng TikTok with her friends about, it's a game about guess the bill, di ba? Sabi doon. And then hinulaan yung bill kung magkano, pero yung amount ng bill is talagang mahal siya. Napakamahal. So, with that TikTok, ang daming nag-bash sa kanya. May death threat, lahat ng harsh things. Hanggang anong tawag ba dyan? Hanggang tinake down niya yung account niya, di ba? Kinlose niya yung account niya hanggat yung wala na, hindi na siya hindi na. And then may post yung father na binuksan uli niya yung Instagram or TikTok, and sabi ng father through a social media comment, it's nice that you are it's nice seeing you again doon sa social media, doon sa platform niya. And then yun, 3 days ago or 4 days ago, yun, we've found out there was this news na pumanaw na nga itong 19 years old na lady. So, yung isa, yung chess grandmaster, meron siyang posisyon in the chess community. Distinguished. Diba? Kumpara sa anak ko, the first time na sumali yung anak ko sa chess competition dito sa area namin. Di ba? It's a 7-round game, chess game. And then hindi niya natapos yung 7 rounds na yon. Yung panglimang round na natalo siya, umiiyak siya, and then umuwi na daw kami. Di ba? Pero itong chess grandmaster na ito ay highly distinguished. Yung title niya as a chess grandmaster, highly distinguished. Talagang napakataas na title na, 'di ba? Pag ikaw ay chess GM, chess grandmaster, ibig sabihin talagang meron kang napakataas na titulo sa chess world. Bakit? Dahil ikaw ay may exceptional skill pagdating sa chess. So doon, makikita natin na kahit pala ganon, kahit meron kang title, although hindi nga natin alam yung cause ng death ng chess grandmaster, pero yun nga, kita doon sa mga live stream, sa mga kwento ng mga close friends niya, na mga chess players din, naggrabe yung depression niya because of holding on to that title. Because, if you have this title, you need to make sure that every game you play sa chess, you always win. Diba? And then, yun nga, yung last stream niya, frustrated siya, natalo siya. Sabi sa kanya nung kakamera siguro, naka in charge sa camera, you can end the live stream. You can end the live stream now. Parang you rest naman. Sabi niya, no, I need to have a next game. I need to have the next game so that yung manalo ulit ako, so that yung rating ko tumaas. Okay. So even though you have a title, we will still be prone to depression, to frustration, to unhappiness. Okay. Thank you, Ma'am Alma, for the heart. That's my wife. Okay. And then, yung 19-year-old na lady, mayaman. Di ba? Mayaman. Sikat. Ang daming followers sa TikTok. Bright. Very articulate. Pag sa English language, kapag kinakausap siya, diba, during the interview, diba, kung maano nyo, yung very articulate sa English. Talagang, akala mo teacher na eh. But still, even though sikat, even though mayaman, even though good in communication, still magkakaroon tayo ng sakit na unhappiness. Unhappiness. I'm sure marami pa na ganon. I'm sure na yung iba naalala ko nung yung 2 nights ago, if I'm not mistaken, a president of a college organization in a university here in our place messaged me, sir, because of what happened because of the news about this certain teenager who passed away. I guess, sabi niya, mayroon siyang realization. I realized na kailangan po yung mga students dito sa college natin, kailangan maturuan sila o malaman nila o magkaroon ng workshop about music meditation, because yung mental health ng mga students ay ma-improve. So, meron siyang realization na meron talagang, it's really an epidemic, it's really a pandemic, unhappiness. The mental health of the youths, not just the youths, but each and everyone, yung mental health ay, kumbaga sa score, mababa. Or worst, bagsak yung mental health. So, this is the reason why we have this page, this Living with Meditation page, because we acknowledge the reality that unhappiness is a pandemic, is an epidemic, and this page is our humble attempt to it's our humble attempt to give a solution that we have received from our teacher. This process of meditation. Before going to the process of meditation, let me sing a song. I hope I can still remember the lyrics. I wrote this 10 years ago or 9 years ago. It was sung by my students, my college students, in one of the events in our school. So this is called You Are Not Alone. So hopefully we consider, actually what I would like to say, how to solve this unhappiness, how to heal this epidemic, this pandemic of unhappiness, how to achieve peace and happiness. It's basically in the song. You are not alone. Babaan natin sa mataas. You are, you are not alone in this lonely world. You can be happy if you know who you are. 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 You've been in pain for a million lifetimes. There's no use to sing all the good rhymes. Your body is sick, pretty soon it will get old. You've been insane for a countless lifetimes. There's no use to bring back all the good times. Your body's old, pretty soon it will die. But you are not alone in this crazy world. You have a friend who really loves you so. Just call his names. Just sing his names. Just call his names. Just sing his names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Bol, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay. shortened version yon. Nakalimutan ko na yung ibang lyrics. But you are not alone. You are not alone. Actually, yung na-experience natin dito sa mundo ay itong matinding kalungkutan na ito na kung saan parang mumubuang na tayo o nagkakasakit na yung katawan natin or yung may attempt na tayo mag-suicide or nag-suicide na nga. Actually, dinidescribe ito ng aming teacher na nervous breakdown. Nagkakaroon tayo ng nervous breakdown. Bakit nangyayari itong nervous breakdown? Bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng breakdown? Because yung inaakala natin na magbibigay sa atin ng security, hindi pala yun. Hindi pala secured. Yung inaakala natin na magbibigay sa atin ng happiness, hindi pala happiness yung binigay. Loneliness. Yung inaakala natin na magbibigay sa atin ng peace, hindi pala peace ang ibinigay sa atin, kundi confusion. Yung inaakala natin na trusted natin na individual, hindi pala siya trusted. In fact, tayo ay niloko. Yung inaakala natin na magbibigay sa atin ng love, hindi pala, kundi hatred yung ibinigay sa atin. And because of this, diba, we have this breakdown. This nervous breakdown. In a way, sabi ng teacher namin, nervous breakdown is good because it is a window or a door to self-realization. If we reach this point in our life wherein we are in a breakdown situation, hopefully, please consider this, that this is the right time for us to ask, why am I suffering in this world? I don't want to suffer. Why am I here in this world? What is my purpose in this world? Why am I suffering? I don't want to suffer. And is there a solution to this suffering? And if we are desirous, talagang gustong-gusto natin na masagot itong mga katanungan na ito, then God will arrange it so that we will meet individuals, we will meet personalities who can assist us in our queries, in our questions. So, if right now you are going to ask us, why am I here in this world? Why am I suffering? I don't want to suffer. What is the purpose of my life? The answer to that question, you must realize. You must not just know the answer. You must realize the answer. It's self-realization, the realization that you are not the body, that you are not the mind, that you are the spirit soul, the dominated parts and parcel of the Supreme Soul, God, and that your natural function is to render loving service to God. This is self-realization. If you act according to this realization, then and only then we will be able to transcend this breakdown. We'll be able to transcend the hatred, the depression, the frustration, the anxiety, the fear, the stress, the unhappiness. We'll be able to heal, to cure this pandemic, this epidemic of unhappiness, if we act according to our real identity. And what is our real identity? That we are not the body and we are not the mind. Rather, we are the soul, the spiritual soul, the eternal being. And dominated, not the supreme, rather a dominated part and parcel of the supreme, whose natural function is to love the supreme person, to render loving service to the supreme person. If we act according to this reality, according to this truth, then we will realize that we are not alone in this world. We are not alone in this world. We have a friend. We have a friend who really loves us. We have a friend who is our security. We have a friend who is our protector. We have a friend who is who's the giver of peace. We have a friend who is a giver of happiness. We have a friend who gives us love. And kailanman, hindi yon mag-change. Hindi yun mag-change. Hindi katulad ng mga so-called relationships natin, material relationships natin, relationships with our relatives, parents, siblings, friends, classmates, our relationship with our dogs, our pets, our relationship with our career, our relationship with material things. They will change. That's why you will have a breakdown. Because sa umpisa, you thought security siya, protector siya, lover. Giving us peace. But later on, afterwards, they change. They will be gone sooner or later. No more security, no more protector, no more love, no more peace. So we have a breakdown. But with the Supreme Person, with God, it's always fixed. God's love upon us, it's always fixed. Because it's unconditional. Without conditions. It's our love that's to Him that's changing, that's not fixed. So our goal is to make it fix. Our goal is to make it so that our love for the Supreme Person is one-pointed. Because that is our real identity. Because to act according to our real identity, this is our happiness. This is the way for us to cure this pandemic or epidemic of unhappiness. Now, the process of meditation, the hearing and the chanting of the holy names of the Supreme Soul of God, this is the process by which you will realize gradually everything that we are sharing with you since the start, not just of this program, Usaping Buhay, since the start of the Living with Meditation 3 years ago or 4 years ago or 5 years ago. If you want to realize everything that we are sharing with you, not just know it, but realize it, you really need to practice meditation on a regular basis to hear and chant the holy names of God. This is the recommended process in today's time in order for you to really, really realize that you are not the body, that you are not the mind, that you are a spirit soul. And the spirit soul's happiness has nothing to do with the body and the mind. The body is happy, the mind is happy, the soul, you are still unhappy because you are not the body and the mind. So the happiness of the soul, your happiness as a soul, is based on your real identity as a soul. And what's that? What's our happiness? What's the cure for our unhappiness, epidemic, pandemic, unhappiness, sickness? Realizing our natural function that we are lovers of the Supreme Soul, lovers of God. Acting out, acting based on this reality. So right now, naririnig mo lang. Hindi ikaw katawan, hindi ikaw ang isip, ikaw yung kaluluwa. Naririnig mo lang ngayon. You're a child of God. Naririnig mo lang ngayon. Yung kaligayahan mo ay ma-experience mo. Yung peace, ma-experience mo. Naririnig mo lang ngayon. If you love God. If you love God, you will be happy. Naririnig mo lang ngayon. That's good. But you need to come to the point in your life wherein you yourself will have that realization. Yes, the only happiness in this world, is if I love God. You need to come to that point in your life. Not because I said so, or not because someone said so, or not because our page said so that you need to love God in order for you to be happy, but you yourself must have that realization. Then and only then you will act upon it and you will continue to practice meditation. Okay? So thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for watching. Maraming salamat. Nandyan pa po ba kayo? 5:08 na. So maraming salamat sa mga nanood ngayon. Shout out natin Nina, Joanna, Roderick, yan. Sino pa ba yung dito? Si Shake, si Raven. Thank you very much for being here. Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Who else still here? So let's chant. Let's practice music meditation. Noted, sir. Haribo. Thank you, Roderick, for always attending the Sunday Usaping Buhay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol. Haribol. Namaste, Dian. Thank you for the message. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribo. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Haribol. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribol, thank you very much. Dian, Roderick, Ninya, thank you very much. Shake. Sino pa ba? Hindi ko na si Raven, tama? Yeah. And Joanne. Joanne pa siguro dito. Yeah. So, ito po si Kuya Chad and you're watching Usaping Buhay, Real Talk, Real Answers. Hatid sa inyo ng Living with Meditation. Haribol, thank you very much. See you next Sunday.